Hi everyone, welcome to Eden's Secret. It's Karen here. I've got a delivery for you today, and I just thought I'm sure you're going to be interested in this. I've got some lovely new silicone molds from Amazon, and I'll put all the links to those in the description box below the video. These came in with them, which I'd ordered, but I just thought you might find it interesting, because decent rubber bands are actually hard to find, because a lot of rubber bands, when you pull them really tight, they snap, but these ones don't. So I'll put a link to those in the description box below the video. Everything is from Amazon today, and wherever you are in the world, I think you've probably got Amazon, so you should be able to find everything that I've got here. Doesn't matter where you live in the world. Okay, so I've got a full pack of these mini heart silicone molds. They're always a little bit difficult to get out of the pack, but this one, I'm just going to tear them. It's the easiest way to get them out. This one comes as a pack of 4, and as you can see, they're just hearts about the size of a thumbnail, and there's loads of them in there. 55 hearts in each mould. They're a little bit flimsy, these, but it doesn't matter. In a way, when they're flimsy, they might not last as long as the stronger silicone, but they're a lot easier to get the hearts or the shapes out of when they're nice and soft and flimsy like this. When I first started doing this, silicone molds were a lot stiffer and a lot less flexible, so it was very difficult to get your shapes out of there. And this pack also comes with 2 decent sized pipettes, so you can fill all of the shapes in with those. So I also got this pack here, which I haven't even opened yet. And as you can see, this has got some more of the hearts in. But this pack also has some other shapes. So I've given myself, now this silicone is a lot stronger, better quality than this silicone, but both of them are nice and flexible. So just pop all of those together, and then this one has a pipette in as well, and as you can see, they're a lot thicker pipettes. It goes up to 5 mils, where generally the small pipettes we use only go up to 2.5 or 3, I think. Now, I thought this mold was really cute because it's got lots, and they are detailed as well, lots of nice cute sea shapes in there. We've got fish, dolphins, starfish, octopus, shark, more dolphins, starfish, and more octopuses there. And as you can see on the back, they do have a bit of detail in them. They've got eyes, some of them have got eyes, and you know, just some detail, so they're not plain and boring. And then that pack also came with some teeny weeny fruits. So we've got cherries, apples, bananas, raspberries, cherries, pineapple, apple, bananas. They're either strawberries or raspberries. I think they're raspberries, yeah. more cherries and more pineapples. So I've already got in my head, I know what I'm going to use them for. So you will see them coming up soon in the future. Now I thought this mould looked, yeah, it's very plain and boring, but I love the size of these, and I'm actually going to have a go. Yes, they are silicone, and they've got pipettes in again. I wonder if this is a brand here. Mr. Help Centre. Fashion.Party Life. Right, just a thank you card there. Leave your video reviews. Okay, so I'll keep that. I'm gonna have a go. Obviously, it probably would be better if these were stiff, but I'm gonna have a go and see if I can make some bath bomb embeds with these, because there's lots in there, isn't there? So in the future you'll see me have a go with these, because they're not too deep, and that, to me, they are the perfect size for embeds. The embeds I've made before were actually too big, because a lot of the bath bomb molds are rather shallow, and you end up with the embeds protruding out of the back of the bath bomb, which is no good at all. You know, and it's really hard to get them, to hide them, basically. So I'm going to have a go and we'll see how that all works out. And then I found this really cute, this is like a mini heart of the Silkomart mould that I've got, but this is the mini version. And as you can see, it's just a beautiful, beautiful shaped heart. So that's definitely going to come in useful for something. I don't know yet in my mind what I'm going to use this one for, but all the others I do actually know. So stay tuned for future videos when you'll see me actually using all of these. Now my favourite that I've found is these, like, so you've got just gorgeous. This one looks like a hot air balloon, but it's actually a cupcake. You'll see on the picture when you have a look on the on Amazon, you'll see how they've decorated that one. It looks so cool, and I just love these kind of donutty shapes. And they've got a decent amount of detail on them as well, and I like the colour of this silicone. It just looks and it feels like quality. So apart from the donuts and king cakes, it also comes with some larger fruit. So we've got larger strawberries, but not too big. I just didn't want them to be, usually a strawberry might be double the size of what these are. So these are just a really nice size. So again, they've got really nice detail on them. So we've got strawberries, pineapples, grapes, bananas and apples. And those ones I've actually bought multiples of. So I bought 2 packs, 3 packs and 4 packs. They'll just be really nice on the top of soaps or whatever. And so basically it's a really quick video today, but I just thought you might find this interesting to see what I've been buying, and if you're interested in buying them, just click on the links below the video and you'll be able to find them. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned to see what I'm going to create with these in the future. It won't all happen at once. Sometimes it takes me months or even like years to get around to using silicone molds. I'm a sucker for buying molds and fragrances, and I've got molds that I've never used before, but because I've got in mind what I'm going to do with these, it shouldn't be too long before you see me using them. Okay everyone, thanks for watching, and I'll see you for another video on Monday night, 6 PM Greenwich Mean Time. That's UK time. Bye bye for now everyone.